Dog Log, Earth date 0612, mosquitoes, 2025. I'm doing good, despite my injury. I need a little support from my mom. She says she's got a physical therapy appointment on something called a Monday the 16th. Some place called Aurora or something. I just don't know. And mom's gone to therapy. Dad's gone to therapy. Guess it's my turn in the house now. Otherwise, I got a non-stop spirit. I don't know when to quit. You know, I'm getting told to slow down and to go certain ways. Man, mosquitoes are annoying. Okay, this dog's out. I gotta go potty.